Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ping issues on FIFA Mobile application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the FIFA Mobile application on your device, but the application is not running smoothly and you are facing very high pings, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing to do is to check and see if your internet connection is fast and stable enough. So make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data network and then check back within the application. If this still doesn't change your experience, then you need to see if your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device and search for the FIFA application. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on this and wait for a while until the installation is complete and you see the open button once again. Go ahead and tap on open. And now, check and see if your application issue is fixed. If you still experience very high ping, then long press on the FIFA application and tap on the info button. Now, from the application info page, scroll down and tap on force stop first to stop the application. Then tap on the storage menu and tap on clear data at the bottom left corner to delete all of the user data for FIFA Mobile. After this step is completed, you can go back and open up the FIFA application once again and you will see that the issue is fixed. In the rarest case of even this final step not working, then the only explanation is that the issue is from the FIFA Mobile server side. So you might need to wait for a few minutes or even a few hours until they fix the issue from their end by releasing an update. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in fixing ping issues on the FIFA Mobile application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.